Hey guys!
Hello!
Hi, so today we bring you our second month of SkoshBox. I was kind of hoping you would do
Oh, SkoshBox.
So today we bring you guys our second month of
SkoshBox.
Yeah! And if you guys don't know, that's Japanese snacks delivered right to your door for, I think it was like $12.99 a month?
Sounds
Something like
right.
that. They have 3 different boxes. They have the SkoshBox, they have like a medium size box, and then they have like a big box that's like $36. So we just get the small box because we just try it. We don't like love this stuff, but we try it, so yeah. And we're gonna open it if we can. That was really easy. I thought this was gonna be challenging. Oh, it's so pretty. It's the box for May. It says May.
2015.
It's oh. Ew, okay, I already see coffee candy that I'm not gonna like. Ugh, you can try the coffee candy.
Sounds good.
No bueno. Okay, so there we go. Take our little sticker off. That was epic. Okay, so this is Oreo, which we have here, but it's like in Japanese. And it's a soft cookie, which is weird because Oreos are hard. Oh, it's adorable!
Ooh.
Oh my god! So it looks like this. So stinking cute. This smells really good.
It does smell very good.
Why don't we have these?
It's good.
I wish we had these.
Oreo soft cookies?
Yeah, like cake. It was like cake. It wasn't like a hard cookie.
It's good.
Ooh, I like it.
Me too.
I would eat it again.
Which one are these?
And Panmen corn rings. Okay. These are corn rings. Read that for me, would you?
You want me to
This
open
is
it?
stupid. It smells like...
It's supposed to be corn.
It tastes like one of our cereals.
Yeah, it does. Very much like cereal.
But which one of our... Like corn pops. Is that what they're called? The yellow cereal?
Something like that.
It's not terrible.
They're okay.
It doesn't have a taste, really.
Not really.
I can see putting this in like a little kid's lunch, though. This looks... It's like a DIY package. That looks difficult. Try that last. These are Trio Variety Cocoa. I don't know.
Choco.
So we're gonna try it like this. Oh, it looks like a cookies and cream bar. This is terrible. It's really bad. Ew. Do you like that one? It's okay. Try that. It's god awful. Oh my god, that's so disgusting. Is that disgusting? No, I think it's good. I like it. Oh, I do not like it.
Oh, they're rice crackers. Okay, I love rice crackers. Do you like rice crackers?
I don't know if I've had rice crackers.
They're really good, I think. From what I think, they're really good.
Let's see.
So they look like this. Okay, as he's eating it. If you get like a spicy Cajun, kind of like an Asian mix, this is what is in it.
Okay.
I don't know if you've ever had that. Oh, my mom gets it all the time. These I like a lot.
I'm not a fan of those.
I love rice crackers.
They're all yours.
I love these things. You might like the Cajun ones. I really like those.
Yeah.
I don't really want to try these. If you don't want to, you don't have to.
I'll try one.
It's coffee.
I'll try one.
Charcoal roasted coffee. Okay, So there's 2 coffee candies. I don't want to try. I hate coffee. It just makes me sick. The smell of it makes me sick. So here's a sukiyaki coffee candy. And it says sukiyaki, so I'm not like pronouncing it. I'm probably pronouncing it wrong. It just says sukiyaki.
That sounds right. Here we go.
Are you chewing it?
Are you supposed to suck it?
Is it gross?
It's not good.
Well, spit it out, dude. Oh, it smells like coffee.
Yeah, it's not good.
Why'd you eat that? Oh, dude, that stinks. Oh, did you like banana or no?
Okay.
Is it gum?
It smells very banana-y.
What is it? Secure banana onto stick. Oh my god, these are like little tiny bananas. So secure banana onto stick. Dip it in chocolate. Okay. Ew. This chocolate's nasty.
Well, let's try the banana.
The greatest thing in the world, but whatever. Okay. So where'd the stick go? Oh. Secure banana. Securing the banana onto the stick, just so you guys know this is not a real banana. And then you stick the chocolate on it. God, this is nasty. It's just like poop on a rock. This is why I was like, let's do it over the box. Oh, dear Lord, that's all sprinkles. Hold that. That one's going to be yours. Don't eat it yet.
Okay.
Oh. It's like banana Laffy Taffy. I don't hate it.
It's okay.
I don't hate it. It's fun. I think if you had kids, it'd be really fun. We're gonna make Miles try this. Okay, I like how it's not gum.
Yeah.
The last thing we're gonna try is gum. I should probably not chew this on my bad side. Oh, there's flavors?
Yeah, you shouldn't chew it at all, actually.
Let's see what this looks like. Regular American gum. Ready? Yeah, no. 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 What was your favorite thing in this box?
The Oreo.
Yeah, I think the Oreos. I don't know. No, I scratched that. My favorite was the rice crackers.
Those are nasty.
I love rice crackers. How do you know I love rice crackers though? So I like those. What was your second favorite?
Probably maybe the banana thing.
Yeah, the banana thing was fun. I like
Yeah.
how they included the like this little DIY kit in there. That was cool. Okay, so we'll see you next month with another SkoshBox.
Bye.
Bye.